Welcome to today's Tech Rant, and today I'm going to show you how to modify your lavalier mic for much better sound quality using these, just some zip ties. It's really simple. You can actually see on the side of my ear here, I went ahead and take one of these zip ties and just create a loop like that. Go ahead and test it, make sure that it fits over your ear. And then next, I went ahead and took another zip tie and connect that directly on here. Now these zip ties, you can see it's actually about 8 inches from end to end. But of course you have about, I'm going to say close to an inch or so at the very top here that doesn't have those little teeth in it that causes the zip tie to be able to actually function and lock in place. Now the only other thing that I needed was a heat gun. So I set my heat gun for 275 degrees Celsius and then just created a little bit of a twist to it like so, and created that twist in it by using the heat to the gun, which twisted it here. And then at the end I just went ahead and held it kind of like this, and then just hit it with the heat gun again until it went ahead and changed its position to be able to curve back around up to the front. Now in a sec here I will go ahead and show you how it sounds with and without being connected onto here versus being pinned onto my shirt, and I think we can all agree that the sound quality is a lot better. Let's see how this sounds. I'm convinced that this will sound better than when directly connected onto my shirt. And to test, I'm clipping it to my shirt and speaking at the same volume. And now it's back in place. Go ahead and let me know if this is beneficial to you in the comment section down below. Tell me what you think about this and if you would do it any differently and how you would do it. Until the next Tech Rant, thank you for watching, and don't forget to go ahead and slap that like button if you like this video, and if you didn't like this video, go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so that we know that you mean it. And I'll catch you in the next show. Now a quick word from our sponsor. Windscribe is a VPN provider that provides safe surfing no matter where you are. The pricing starts at $9 a month for month to month, but if you pay for your upfront, it's just a little bit over $4 a month. Now if you're a student, scroll down a bit and go ahead and click on this link here and check this out. You get another 40% off your yearly subscription. Personally, I've used Windscribe myself for several years now, and I've never had any problems. I love it when I travel, and it keeps me secure. But go ahead and let me know if this was helpful for you down in the sections. Go ahead and let me know